Hi, I'm Ken Leibow with InsurTech Express, and this is another video on ChatGPT. So, focused on ChatGPT 4, and for those that are, as I've stated in previous videos, in order to get ChatGPT 4, you must sign up for ChatGPT Plus, which is $20 a month. So, with that being said, we're going to talk about building our own GPT. Getting an actionable GPT that we're going to create ourselves. And this means that plugins are no longer going to be available. So please don't watch my videos on plugins anymore because they're obsolete. That's how fast this technology, AI technology changes. So let's take a look. As you can see here, OpenAI, ChatGPT, they're winding down ChatGPT plugins, which was a beta anyway. And basically what's happening now is I'm using ChatGPT Builder to create a GPT. So I already started this before I recorded. It says, "Hi, I'll help you build a new GPT." You can say something like, "Make a creative who helps generate visuals for new products," or "Make a software engineer helps format my code. What would you like to make?" And I wrote, "Make a program that writes ukulele tabs and chords. How about we name it Composer? Does that sound good to you?" "Yes, that sounds great." And then I guess I used Dolly to create a nice little logo here. So my program is called Composer with this cool ukulele here. Here's the initial profile picture for Composer. Do you like it? Picture looks great. No changes needed. Fantastic. Let's refine the details of Composer's ability and how it interacts with users. So let's start with the kinds of songs, melodies, and most important for Composer to understand. Should it specialize in popular music, special genres, or have a broad range to cover anything, classical, contemporary hits? And I'm going to say, keep it easy. Let's say popular music, classic rock, and power ballads are the genres to focus on. Details should Composer be with providing tabs and chords? For instance, should include strumming patterns, finger placement diagrams, or keep it to chord names and basic tablature? Well, I think, okay. Well, if the song has a riff, then show the tabs to the riff. Also show strumming patterns for the song. Plucking or lead fills are okay as an option. Finger picking and chords should be included. Okay, so how should Envision Composer communicate with its users? Should it have a casual, friendly tone or more formal instructions? Because we are offering options like only chords or include riffs for example, then a casual, friendly communication would be best. Now, Compose now ready for you to try out in the new preview on the right, feel free to ask it to generate ukulele tabs for a song or inquire about playing techniques or what you would like it to try first. So now we're on the preview screen and where we're going to create tabs, generate ukulele chords for Imagine. That's the song Imagine. So why don't we click that and see what happens? Imagine by John Lennon is a beautiful song that's quite popular among ukulele players. And there is showing you the chords. There's an intro, then verse one, pre-chorus, verse two, and the chorus. I guess I don't know if there's a bridge, but just a pre-chorus. Feel free to repeat sections as you like to practice on the performance. Imagine. Okay, and what is the strumming pattern? What is the strumming pattern? Just down, up, down, up. Oh, there it is. Just start with the basic pattern, then adjust to match the song's dynamics. Down on the first piece and then down, up. There's a slight pause to skip the third beat. Should be repeated throughout the song. Remember, the key to effective strumming is consistency, etc., etc. Cool. So my last step is to save it to everyone. And I can put it under writing, productivity, programming, lifestyle. I'll put it under writing. Confirm. See? You Composer by Kenneth Leibow. Now I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, explore GPTs. So now I go to GPTs. I've created this for everybody. I go and now You Composer is there. I've created this. And now I'm going to start the chat. Love it that I am now this creator that the whole world can see. You Composer. You create ukulele tabs and chords for songs. What is the tab for the song Hotel California? And here is my You Composer in action. Hotel California by the Eagles is a classic rock masterpiece, translate beautifully to the ukulele. The song's iconic progression and melodies can be simplified for ukulele players for retaining and haunting beauty. I'll provide you with the intro and the chord progression, verse, intro tab, verse and chords, and the chorus chords. So how amazing is that I have now created my own GPT using ChatGPT to do a task. It makes programming, I don't want to say obsolete, but I've just become my own programmer, wrote my own program, and I've also shared it with the world. Very cool.